everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to archive and unarchive your posts on Instagram. So let's get started with the video. So if you want to archive a photo or hide a photo without deleting it permanently or without losing likes, then here is a trick for you. Open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged in. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner and this will take you to your Instagram profile. Now to archive a photo, you have to look for a photo and open it. For example, this is the one I want to archive. Now you have to tap the menu icon, the three dots at the top right, and here you will get the option to archive this photo. So you have to press that, and if you will go back, as you can see, the photo got disappeared from my profile. Now it hasn't got deleted. You can still get it back with the same likes intact. So I will show you how. But for example, we are going to archive one more photo. So for example, that's the photo I want to archive. So press the menu icon and tap archive. So that's how you can archive any of your photo, but you have to do it one by one. You cannot archive or hide all posts at same time. Now to make it visible again, you have to tap the menu icon at the top right, the three horizontal lines, and then you have to press this archive option that you can see right here. And here you will see all your posts that you have archived. Alright, if you have archived any story, you can select this drop down menu and you can choose stories, archive or live. But for example, you just have made your post archive, you can select the post one, and then you have to open the photo that you want to show on your profile again. So open that photo, press the menu icon and then tap show on profile. So as you can see, the photo has been moved from the archive folder. Similarly, you can do this for this photo as well. So press the menu icon and tap show on profile. Now I'm going to go back to my Instagram profile and I'm going to refresh it. So as you can see, the photos have appeared again here. So that's how you can archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. That was all for today's topic. If you have any suggestions for my next videos, you can mention that in the comment box down below. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, that has a lot of informational content written by various expert writers. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.